Hello there, this is Philip Neidlinger, KA4KOE, with another episode of Electromagnetic Mischief. It's been a while since I've made a video, just been busy. My 2019 Ridgeline was damaged in a parking lot. Somebody busted it from behind and didn't hang around to tell me about it. The back rear bumper and quarter panel were damaged, and after some insurance, it's come on back. It's back to where it needs to be. So we got that squared away. At the in-laws for my daughter's birthday, we come up here to the grandparents and in-laws, and I've got the hitch mount on the truck, and I've been playing with the MPAS vertical on the 20-foot pole with the transformer at the top and a couple of radials coming down. You can see those. And the radials are over here. It's just something to play with. Now, I know people run these antennas down, but for what they are, they do a good job. They work just fine. And I have to mix it up from time to time to keep it interesting. Make lots of contacts off of it with 20 watts with the G90 during the Support Your Parks weekend. But we're just up here in a nice cool fall air. It's a nice day. And that's about it. And that's about it for this update. Hope you'll have a great weekend. Take care. This is Philip Neidlinger, KA4KOE. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.